Today we have a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is entitled "Son Threatens to Burn Mom's House Down, Doesn't End Well."
Young man think he can refuse to comply without consequences.
He's here. Hey. Hey, no, go.
Yo.
Hey.
Why are you here?
We got a call.
No, we don't.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
Hey.
Please get out
No,
of my face.
stop.
Please get out of my face.
You have active warrants.
No.
Yeah,
no.
you do.
No.
Okay.
She lets me stay here. Stop.
No, but
She lets me stay here.
Okay.
She lets me stay here.
I understand
Get
that.
out of here.
No, you
No,
have.
no,
hey,
you don't. No,
yeah,
you don't.
Yeah, you have active warrants.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't. Stop.
You have active
No, I
warrants.
don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, why don't you believe that?
Get out of my property. Please get out of my property.
Okay.
Please get out of my property. Please get out of my property.
Okay, what?
Please get out of my property. I never called 911. Please get out of my property.
Yeah, but other people do live
No, we
here.
don't.
Yes, they do.
Stop. Please get out of my property.
1351 Lighthouse.
What happened?
Please get out of my property. This is my address. I do not give you no reason to be on my property. Please get out of my property.
Yeah, but you're not the only one
Please
who
get out
lives
of my
here.
property. Get out of my property. Get out of my property. Now. Get out of my property. Get out of my property now. This is my property. Get out of my property. Nobody called 12. Get out of my property.
They did. Okay.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. No, you stop. Get out of my property.
Dude, we're trying
Get
to
out of
talk
my
to you.
property.
Right.
Get out of my property.
Your mom called.
Get out of my property. Get out of my property.
No.
Stop.
Hey, be careful.
Stop.
Be
Get out of
careful.
my
Be
property,
careful.
please.
Stop.
Get out of my property.
Stop.
Get out of my. You need a warrant to be here.
You have
need
a warrant.
You know I don't.
You do.
No,
Okay.
I don't. Get out of my property.
Okay.
Get out of my property.
No.
Get out of my property.
Turn around.
No, I don't have a warrant.
You do.
Get out of my property. Get out of my property. Get out of my property. Get out of my property.
Come on.
Stop.
Assume the position. We want this to go smoothly now. Assume the position. Don't resist. If you resist, we gonna have to get you together. Okay? Act right.
Stop. Please stop. You're not. Why are you arresting me?
Because you have
Why are
active
you
warrants.
arresting me? I don't have a warrant.
You do.
Stop.
Yeah.
I never called the cops.
No,
Stop.
I know.
No,
The
no.
other person.
I never called the cops. Get out of my property. Get out of my property. Why are you detaining me? 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 Stop, please. Why are you detaining me? Why are you detaining me? Why? Why? Please tell me why.
Because you have active
I don't have a warrant.
Yeah, you
I don't
do.
have a warrant. I don't have a warrant.
Okay.
I don't have a warrant. Why are you detaining me? Why are you detaining me?
Listen. Take a breath.
Why? No! You're on my property! Get out of my property!
Yeah.
Please! Why are you detaining me? No! No! Leave me alone! This is an illegal arrest!
No,
Leave
it's
me
not.
alone! Yes, it is! You're on my property! Get out of my property!
Yes.
Leave me alone! This is an illegal arrest!
No, it's
how are
not.
you arresting me?
Because we are the police and
No, you
have
are
a
not.
warrant.
Please leave me alone. You don't have an active warrant. You don't have a permission to get here. Let me see the warrant.
Okay,
Take a
you will.
breath.
You don't have a warrant. You don't have a warrant
Dude,
for my
what
arrest.
are you on?
Leave me alone. You can't be here. I don't give you permission to be here.
I know.
Get out of here. Get out of here, please.
We want.
Get out of here. I don't give you permission to be here. Please.
That's great.
Let me go. Let me go. No, let me go.
Enough.
This is not a legal arrest. You don't have permission to be on my property. Get out of my property. Get out of my property. You don't have permission to be on my property. Get out of my property, please.
What are you on?
Get out of my property. Get out of. I'm not on nothing. Get out of my property. You don't have it. You don't have permission to be on my property.
Yes,
get out of
we
my
did.
property. Get out of my property.
Other people
Get
live
out of my property. Get out of my property. Please. This is not a legal arrest. This is an illegal arrest. This is not legal. This is illegal.
Okay.
This is
I'm assuming they're waiting for backup because I don't know what we doing all this sitting around, standing around here for. Roll his ass over. Let's get it popping. Let's get it on and popping, man. What's going on here? So I'm assuming they're waiting for backup.
Illegal.
Catch your breath.
This is illegal. This is not legal. Get out of here. Get out of here, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, please. Stop. This is an illegal arrest.
Yeah, why not?
This is an illegal arrest. This is an illegal arrest. Please stop. Please stop. This is not me. Please stop. 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 This is an illegal arrest. I can't be arrested. This isn't me. This isn't me.
Roll over on your stomach.
Stop. Stop.
Okay. Come on.
Oh yeah, backup arrived. Okay.
You're on my property. You're on my property. Oh, get out. Get out. You're on my property. Not yet.
Not yet.
Stay down. You're on my property. You're on my property. This is an illegal arrest. This is an illegal arrest.
All right. Stop fighting or you're going to get tased. You understand me?
Get your hands
You're
behind
going to get
your back.
tased. You're going to get tased. Stop fighting.
I'm not
Do what the
fighting.
officer
You
said.
are.
Do it
Dude,
now or you're going to
I'm
get tased.
I'm
You
not.
understand
Please.
me?
Roll on your stomach now.
You have no reason to arrest me.
Do it now. Do it
You
now.
have no reason to arrest me. Please. Calm out.
I got this.
You have no reason to arrest me. Please.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now or you're going to get tased.
I got it.
Do what the officer says.
Give me your other hand.
Stop.
Give me your other hand.
Hand up.
Stop, please. Stop. Stop. Please.
You only fight me with the one.
This one. We're good. We're good.
Okay, now.
Just him.
This is an illegal arrest, sir. Sir. Sir, this is an illegal arrest. Sir.
You fight that in court, not in the backyard.
Okay, this is an illegal
Okay,
arrest.
roll over and sit up.
Nobody else will stay in the case?
No, no, no.
Can I put my shoe on?
Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
This is an illegal arrest, sir. Sir, I'm not. Sir, I'm not. You can't arrest me in my backyard without a warrant.
You have a
You
warrant.
can't. No, I
you got
don't.
2 warrants. You do.
No, I don't. No, I don't. You
Look
can't.
up.
You can't arrest me without a warrant.
Taking him right up the county.
Where's your warrant?
I don't know yet.
Where's your warrant? Where's your warrant?
It's ours.
Where's your warrant?
Get up.
Where's your warrant? You don't have a warrant.
Let's walk.
You don't have a warrant. Where's my warrant? You can't be on my property. This is an illegal arrest. You can't be on my property. You can't be on my f***ing property.
Well, one good thing is going to come out of this. His mom can get some peace and quiet for a little while. That's always a good thing. Mama Love could get some peace and quiet because he ain't going to be there for a little minute. Because I know he was causing havoc, man. Look, neighborhood look pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? But nope, all the attention got to be on this house. Damn, it always got to be this house. Unbelievable.
This is an illegal arrest. I'm gonna be
Well, if it's an illegal arrest, your public defender he gonna have a field day with this one.
back. I'm gonna be back.
You're on camera.
You look like you got that demon in him, boy.
Watch.
Hey, this one.
Spread your feet wide.
Don't kick me.
Your feet.
Ass up. Oh, bitch ass up. Get that to my mom. Give my phone to my mom. Give my phone to my mom. You have to do what I say.
No, you
You're a
don't.
public servant. You're a public servant. Shut the f up. Get all that to my mom. Give that to my mom. Give that to my mom. Give my mom my phone. Give all that to my mom. Give all that to my mom. Give that to my mom. Give my personal belongings to my mom. Who's your mom, that lady? Yes. Give it to her. We hear you. Stop breaking my constitutional rights. Give my mom my shit. You f***ing bitch. Give it to my f***ing mom.
You got anything on you? Just gonna poke, stick, or cut?
No.
You crotching anything? Because
No.
it's gonna catch another charge
No,
otherwise.
I don't got nothing, please. This is an illegal arrest. You have no warrant to go into my property. You have no warrant to go into my property. I'll fucking know you, ass!
Sit down.
Free cash!
Free cash.
Watch your knees. Do you want to do it? Here we go. Let's look those ones.
Yeah, give it up to me, bro.
Is that your new name?
Yes.
You caught that. You caught that.
I was just gonna say yes to that.
Does mom want to like sign complaints for today?
There's nothing to sign complaints. They got in an argument because he was drinking.
Hey, you good?
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's just.
I'm gonna go took his door away because she came home drunk from work yesterday, and
So is she letting him live here again?
only because it's cold. So I'm not gonna do the trespass.
Now that she's looking back.
No, so. But he has warrants for previous trespasses.
Yeah, he's been in and out of Hesed, back and forth from here, trespass, and obviously she's letting him back.
Well, he's hammered already.
Yeah, and then she calls because now he's threatening to burn the house down today, so.
Yeah, and now he's gonna have egg bat. So.
Can you turn on my window? I can't breathe in here. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe in here. I can't breathe in here. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please. Please turn down a bit more. I can't breathe. Please. I can't breathe. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. Please. Please. Please, sir. Sir. Please turn on my window, sir. Sir. Please turn on my window. I can't breathe. I just want I just want everything checked. Please can you turn on the window? Please can you turn on the window? Because I can't breathe in here. I need air. Please can you please turn down the window a bit? Please I can't breathe, sir. Please I can't breathe in here, sir. Please sir. Please.
The man was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and outstanding warrants. Drop your opinion in the
Yeah, it's just a revolving door because the mom allows it. You know, the mom know that he got a whole bunch of warrants and he's a problem child and everything like that. He's cool, so mom let him back. But as soon as he does something that mom don't like, she gonna call the cops on him. I mean, damn, just let him figure it out. He's a man. You gotta figure it out, man. You a man. You know, it's just because now it's hard to feel bad for the mom when she lets it happen. You know that he's a headache. You let him back. You get him kicked out. Then you keep letting him back. But as soon as he does something that you don't like, and you know that's going to happen because he's a headache, he's a pain in the butt, you're gonna call the cops on him. Come on, it's like, just don't even let him back. Hello? Let him figure it out. He's a man. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.